Alright, I have built a model of the camera we're going to be building a mount for today. Figured I'd save everyone else from having to sit through that part of this. Want to get the holes that the buttons and the lens will be accessed through laid out first here. So this is the on button I'm working on right now, and this down here is going to be the lens. So just get everything lined up and then brought down to the right point there. Want to extrude it up because this has to hold the majority of the weight of the camera. I think that would give me enough space there for that. Now, this one I need to spread out so I can actually touch the button. And let's move it around a little bit where it'll make a bit more sense. Alright, let's go ahead and connect all of these. Will be a starting point. I think that's far enough on that side. Now for the other. Now to, let's see, need to put some vertices down here. I know I was selecting when I should have been placing. Oh well. So there's one side. Now let's just extrude this vertice down and the other side as well here. Flatten them on the y-axis and now carry them all the way down. So that gets us to this point. We'll finish carrying it all the way down and connect the two. Now this will need to be subdivided a couple of times, I think. Oh no, before I do anything I want to make sure it's in line with everything else. And we'll add those subdivides starting down here on this side. There's one. Corner done with for this part. Now let's get working on this side. We'll need a few more than on the other side there. So now let's carry this forward a little bit. There we go. Now to keep moving it forward here. Alright, just about have this side done. Just a little bit more here. add in a subdivision here. And we'll go ahead and slide it over. There we go. That finishes that up. Now to continue working on around here, add another subdivision in on this side. Now slide this over a bit. And there we go. Now we're just on this last side here. Give it enough subdivisions. Keep connecting everything. Just a little bit more. There we go, that's done. Now to extrude these up to be in line with these, which now need to be connected as well. But we need to make sure we have them moved out and stretched far enough so everything will work like it should. Now we can hide everything else and begin connecting. Just keep carrying all this around. Now to start here. There we go. Keep working from the top down. Keep on putting faces in. So that top half is done. Now to focus on the bottom. Just keep connecting, keep putting faces in. I do think this is really going to be a beneficial addition to my setup, having this. Definitely better than the piece of cardboard that I've been using, which I would show you if I had thought to save it. Oh well. Let's carry this down to be the more or less nesting area for the camera itself. I don't really know what to call it, but nesting area seems right. Let's get the other button cut out, put into place here. Move it in and over. And this button, unlike the others, is directly in line with the side of the camera. There's no sticky out bit. So I've got to make it work as best I can. There we go, just finish this off. Alright. How did that happen? Didn't think I had grabbed the other side there. Or, I didn't think I had missed grabbing it, I'll say it that way. Now to get this part done on the outside edge, extrude that out. Grab the vertices that are necessary, and only those vertices. And let's begin putting faces in. That side's done. Now to get this one. There we go. Now just to finish off. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the model. Obviously there are some faces that need to be turned around. If I'm seeing them right now, I know you are as well. We will get to that though. We need to get the two inner and outer parts connected. Right now they are just connected on the top, but not where they need to be on the bottom here. Get these turned around. There we go, that should do it. And now, just put the faces in. Going to have to do something here though. might fix the problem. All right. So that is the box that the action camera will be mounted into. We need to get it printed out now, don't we? Although there might be a slight change or two we need to make here. Let's see. Oh yes, what am I thinking? Got to put something in that will connect it from the, or that will connect it to the shelf. Can't have an action camera mount if it can't mount to anything. So get the cube here shaped to the size of the shelf. And I may let me make sure my measurements are right here. Yes, I have the correct measurements, I believe. I guess it looks pretty large. But then again, the shelf itself is pretty big too, so it's probably right. Delete some of these edges here. I want the space by that button to be free and clear for my finger to get into. So that's why I removed those faces. Add in a loop cut. Pull this up. Now, let's move it all back a bit. Scale it up a little bit more. And do I want to center it more or less? Yeah. Carry it over like so. And now, delete those edges. Undo it because I only want to delete the one there, not all of them. Grab these and we're going to scale them in on the z-axis to where they are right up to the edge of the cube here. There we go. Now extrude them inward toward the main body of the model. And now we can hide everything else because we need to fill these faces in. Now to get the remaining faces put in. And we should be ready to print. just figuring out how I want to go about this. Oh, yeah, center it up a bit more is a good idea. Remove the cube. And now, start with putting faces in. Or end with putting faces in, as the case is. And that does it. We are ready to print. Let's just take a look at how big it is on the print bed here. And I think we have a winner, though we'll probably want it rotated the other way around. Yeah, I do believe we're good to go. Something like this. All right. And the printer is off and running. Really do like the new webcam mount for the 3D printer that we've got working here. And that layer is not looking too good, is it? Good thing it's just the raft. We will be fine. Because it's not building up on any part that is going to be necessary later on. Goes around again. And now the other way. Another angle. Nearly done with this layer. Go back one more time. And now it's time for the supports for the actual part. supports and starting to build the heart as well, that is. Look at it go. It is flying, isn't it? Building up another layer. Well, I'll let you enjoy the show without any more commentary from me on this part. I'll check back in a bit. That is looking nice, isn't it? I do believe we nearly have a finished piece. Just a little bit more that needs to be done. It's always nice when a project turns out the way you want it to. And that is definitely the case here. in more ways than one. The part being printed works wonderfully, and the webcam mount that has allowed this 3D printing session to be recorded is working wonderfully as well. I do believe it's nearly done. One more pass. Oh, two more. Even more than I was thinking. And it's done. Hey there everyone. Just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.